Afternoon, everybody. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady, and today I'm working on week 38 of Margarete Miller's collage assignments, and I have to say it is getting harder and harder for me to find the prompts that are necessary to complete the assignments, like something that represents a song or a band. I don't think I have anything like that. Maybe I could write the words of a song, but maybe music paper would work for that. But I needed an image of water and a landmark, and so I got Old Faithful here, which I'm going to ink up a little bit and make it look older. An organic shape, and I thought this is what I think of when I hear someone say organic shapes. So because it's see-through, I think I'm going to put it on a piece of white paper so you can't see behind it. A key, I cannot find a key. And I can't find an image of a key. I might have a little metal key I could put on here. And a neutral color is this background, which I thought that's very neutral. And I'm going to put my photo or landmark here on with these old-fashioned photo corner thingies. So I'm gonna just get started with inking up everything and gluing down. Why does it look green to me? And we've had such a beautiful autumn, but we really do need some rain. We hadn't had much rain all summer or all autumn. It is supposed to rain a little bit for the next couple of days, though. It's starting to get a little cloudy now. Let's see. I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac. Put this down. I'm probably not going to be filming these anymore because like I said, I'm having a lot of trouble finding the prompts. So I may end up just doing these on my own, whenever I can, but I don't think I'm going to film them anymore. I might every once in a while if I have everything I need, but not on a regular basis. So you won't be seeing these probably. Why does that look green to me? I don't know. I think I'm going to just kind of ink up the whole thing a little bit, make it look older slightly. Alright, so that's going to go there. I think I'm going to put this down with this, the double-sided tape. Oops. Oh. Onto the white paper. And I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're having a great autumn so far. Actually, today is the first day of autumn that I'm filming this, but it won't be by the time you see it. Well, it might be if I get this up in time. I don't think so, though. I have a video appointment for my daughter, so I'll have to be doing that at some point soon today. So I don't know if I'll get this up or not. I think you can see the tape a little bit on this, but I think it'll be okay. And then we'll ink around this too. And then I just have to find my key, or I could skip the key because I have a neutral color here and get the words of a song. Maybe I'll do that. Let me see if I can find some music paper that has the words of a song on it too. Alright, so I've got this. This one says Frogs at School. I don't know. Maybe that goes along with the geyser. I don't know. Let's find something here. Doing what's right. I could actually, oops. maybe kind of put this on that, like that, as a background. Like a background on the second background, I guess. I think I'm not going to worry about the title. I'm just going to glue this on and then cut it out. And I have not had a tickle in my throat all day, and all of a sudden, because I'm going to film, I got a tickle in my throat. So I'm going to be cutting out me coughing and getting rid of the tickle in my throat for the whole video. Okay, so this is going to go like that. I'm going to get this. And I'm just going to cut a little bit off. I don't want too much of it showing because I want to see my neutral background. But I want to see some of the musical notes and some of the words so we know it represents a song. Okay, there we go. So, oh, I forgot to use my photo corners. Oh well, we're not using the photo corners anymore. How would they look on here? Then I'd be covering up most of my neutral background, so I think we'll skip. Actually, I think I'm going to use Fabri-Tac, which I need to get more of. And if I can still find a little metal key, I'm going to put that on somehow. Everything's falling. Okay, so that's going on like that. I think I'm going to, where is my little corner rounder? Just the tiniest little corner rounders, makes the tiniest little corners. And I'm going to glue this down. Maybe up here. Yeah. And I'll see if I can find a key. Alright, I found a tiny little gold metal key. And I'm just going to glue it on here with some Fabri-Tac. And if I have to, I will put some stronger glue on it. So there we have it. I think it actually came out kind of cute, if I do say so myself. So I have my image of water, which is also my landmark, Old Faithful. Something that represents a song is the music paper. An organic shape is this little painting right here. This is my key, and this is my neutral color. So I actually have everything, including the bonus. Well, what do you know? And I was complaining about not being able to find everything. But anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will have a video up every Thursday of some kind. And hopefully, maybe I'll have more of these up on Sundays or Mondays, or something else up. But my plan is to try to get at least one video up a week, but preferably two. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.